reliable, durable, and customizable. Hello boss, this is Darren. Spare tire is very important for remote area operating, but it always takes much space. So we design a rack to store it. How we use it? Let me show you. Firstly, let's get to the rear side of the bus. Then we're gonna pull out the 2 safety pins. Secondly, open the gap on the right side of the bus. Now, pull down the black handle, keep pressing the button, the rack gonna lift down slowly. Pull up the handle, pressing the button, it will recover. Good product is good service. Hope of your special vehicle.